Pandas, 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 pandas. Good morning, my pandas. Welcome to the stream. Make sure you guys fill out that poll. Sorry for the late start. We just finished the pre-market show here. Always have a great time on the pre-market show. Day trading like a predator. Good morning. Kevin Mack. Good morning. Patrick McLaughlin. Good morning. Grand Angel. Good morning. Latrell. Good morning. Welcome back. Salvatore. Welcome back. Good morning. Good afternoon from Switzerland. I've never been there. I would love to go someday. Northern Turtle. Good morning. Alberta, Canada. Carl Herman from Asheville, North Carolina. Let's go, baby. Charles Wilson, the pre-market is a game changer. Got to get in. Ooh, I appreciate the kind words. Speedy Boy, good morning, pandas. Welcome to the stream. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. We had news this morning, and that's what caused this initial spike up, then spike down. Spike up, spike down. Huge move up, but now it seems like a pretty strong move down. What a move yesterday, right? What a move yesterday. What a move yesterday. The daily chart. I mean, when you see a candle like this, I think I saw a statistic that this, from the low to the high, was the 5th largest reversal ever in the S&P. And it's amazing. I mean, from the low to the high, that is absolutely incredible. And yep. And so now we're back at the 20 EMA. I'm pretty sure it feels like we're gonna break through the 20 EMA, but I don't know. I mean, we're hitting it right now, but I feel like with such a strong reversal candle, especially at the bottom of the channel like this, it seems like there's a channel going on. It does feel like we're at the bottom. It's just hard for me to. I guess I could put it here. I can capture these, but I'll be missing these, and it's just kind of hard to know exactly how to mark this channel here. But basically we're like having an undershoot here, and I feel like we could push up higher and yeah, push up higher here, and I think yeah, maybe get back to the top of the trading range or reverse here for a while. You know, I mean, we're still in a downtrend, and we can go up pretty high and still be in a downtrend. I have this blue line here because this is a gap that hasn't been filled yet on the daily chart, and it's like a multi-week gap. In fact, it's a multi-month gap at this point. And you know, we might come up to fill this gap. I don't know. I mean, this reversal is it looks like a very strong reversal, and especially happening near a support, kind of like a support. Let me see the left of the chart. Yeah. So we're bouncing off something, and it looks very strong. And most likely, I gotta see if there's follow through on this bar. Once there's follow through, I think the bulls will feel stronger, and we'll find out. But what a move yesterday! If you saw that move yesterday, basically, yeah. If you were part of, basically when the market opened, it just completely reversed. Incredible. I mean, the nice thing about it is on the 5-minute chart, if you did pay attention, there was basically a trap trade here. Gotta change the trap setting here. There's a trap trade on the 5-minute chart here, and it basically was the reversal, major trend reversal, and So there's a trap here on the 5-minute chart. So second entry short, failure, and reverses. And ever since then, it just never even came back down here. So it's just a huge move up. So if you were to capture that trap, you know, and said maybe the risk is worth it, about, was it 12-point risk here? The risk here is a 10-point risk. I mean, if you're at 10-point risk, but I'm looking for 20, 40 points, then yeah, I guess that was worth it. But very, very crazy that happened. So basically an opening reversal. All right, market just opened. Let's get some bamboo. A lot of you guys think it'd be a bull trend day today. One second, Pandas. Sorry about that, Pandas. All right, we got break a trend new low. What we got here? We got a break a trend to new low here, and looks like we're reversing. Are we gonna continue up? Basically, this high here is the 20 EMA on the 5-minute chart. How big is this bar? Bar is 1, 2, 3. Do not copy my trades. All right, that gets me out. I was looking for a reversal here because I saw a break a trend to new low, and also a failed second entry short here, coming off the 20 EMA. So I decided to take it, but now it looks like it's pushing down pretty strong. Made a new low again. I don't know if this is a downtrend now. Hard to say. Bounces off the previous day's high. See, I hate this too. You know, that slippage, that one tick slippage I had it here, so it's a little more pain than I wanted. I came with a retracement looking for a 3-point risk. It gave me a 3.25 point risk, so all good. I came with a retracement also, so I felt okay with that trade. That was worth it, especially with a major trend reversal setup like that. We're going to continue to push down here. Okay. Push up. Are we in downtrend, pandas? Or is the downtrend over? Are we looking for a reversal? I may look for another reversal here. We shall see. Maybe I should have been a little more cautious with this. Technically, I feel like I can use anything in this wick. And using this could be first breaker trend here. Yeah. Yuri says this high is a high on the daily chart. Sorry, it's a 20 EMA on the daily chart. Well, 20 EMA. Probably SMA as well. So it could reverse off of there. Just quickly, if you don't know what I'm talking about, the 20 EMA perfect hit on the daily chart. This is a daily chart, by the way. By the way, if you don't know what chart we're looking at, look at the top left of your screen. You can see what chart we have that we're on. I'll look for a reversal attempt here. If we get another trap trade to the short side, or sorry, fail second entry short here, then I look to go long. Just again because break a trend to new low. And we're still like in this area now, bouncing off of support, 240 SMA. Also, the previous day's high could be acting as support. I mean, you could also think that's the second entry short here, and if you want to continue the short side, then you are free to do so. Right, you can have a second entry short here, lower high second entry short. Let's see if we can get that fail second entry short here. I think I'll still like it if we got it. Micro double bottom. That might be enough for me to go long here. I'm like eager to reverse this, but I'm gonna wait for my setup actually. Unfortunately, the setup doesn't happen again. Micro double bottom. Really frustrating that I'm waiting for a setup and it's just like teasing me by one tick. Now it's happening a little further away from 20 MA. It's gonna be a little riskier to take this, but at least a setup will happen here. It's a little far away from 20 MA. Darn. A little too far from 20 MA for me, even though it could work. I don't like this kind of this pin bar here type looking thing. Still a little far away from 20 MA and the doji bar here. I'm looking to go long again. Trap trade does trigger and immediately scalps 2 points. And unfortunately, can't be part of this. Oh, darn. It's just a little too far away from 20 MA. It was a doji bar. I wish it actually touched the 20 MA here and then reversed. This reversal that I was looking for here actually happens here. And just wanted one more push down. And I might have made a blunder here thinking this was the trend. But this was actually the trend here. Darn. Darn, darn, darn. I wanted that. I wanted a piece of that. It is a little red today, and I already not missed one. I skipped this one because the fact that we were a little too far with 20 May and the doji bar here. And I didn't like this bar here, thinking there's not enough room to the top of these pivots here. The bounce off the previous day's high could be a good indication of what's happening here. Five-minute creates a strong bull bar ending near its high. 10,000 tick chart, where are you at? Could be getting a little choppy here. So the 5-minute bar, strong bull bar ending its high, but no follow through. Am I looking for a second entry long here? Or do I think this is strong bear bars? It's hard to go long now. Very hard to go long. The bars are large as well. The risk is large. Hard to take these trades. So for me, even though I lost this trade, I like the setup. Plus, I didn't mind losing 3 points here. 3-point loss is very little if you know the size of the accounts. Like, losing one trade, you gotta be okay losing a trade. You really gotta be okay losing a trade. And if you're not okay losing a trade, then you're trading too large for your account size. Oh, what am I looking for? Am I looking for a short trade now? This is a pretty strong move down. I don't know if I want this trap though. It's kind of like really early for a trap. Like I know right now we're in a downtrend, but this trap will be a little bit random to me, to be honest. I don't know. I'm gonna skip it because I'm not sure what's happening here. You still haven't made a point. You still haven't made your scalp yet off that trap. You're still trapped here. All right, now you made your point. All right. It reversed a little bit, scaring, I think, some of the short traders, and then finally went its way. I would have not enjoyed that trade at all if I were in it. All right, coming back to the previous day's low, seems like. And like I said, the 5-minute chart, there's no follow through. So you cannot take this as an always and long. You got to wait for follow through. No follow through whatsoever. It might fill the gap here on the 5-minute. The gap is at 36.82. Salvatore says, up $3 on the day, time to quit my job. Norton Turtle asks, what do the numbers represent in the chart trader column? The numbers besides the bid and ask prices. That's how many contracts are being traded, I believe. I believe that's how many like ask contracts are there and how many bid contracts are there. Not being traded, but how many are there. I believe that's what it is. If there's news at 10, I don't think it's big news. I think the big news already happened. Oh, actually, sorry, there is big news. Big news at 10, prelim, UOM, consumer sentiment. That is big news. Sorry about that, Panis. Big news at 10, huh? I thought the news happened at 8:30, but that was my bad. Just a strong move down. Very hard to have entered any part of this trade. Seemed really random to me, but overshoot to undershoot and reversal. It might look like it's just trying to fill the gap here. Come back to the previous day's close. Makes sense. Or we could have just a really strong downtrend the rest of the day. That would be wild. What if we reversed yesterday's candle in one day? Right now. That'd be crazy. What a strong move down. I don't know. Maybe two-legged pullback if we can get anything here. See if the market gives us anything. I know we're really close to this area, but I need a setup. These are none of these are setups. In fact, this looks choppy to me now. Big push up. Second entry short. Don't copy my trades. Kind of wanted to come and fill the gap here, but I'll take my 2 points if it gives it to me. Oof, oof, oof. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy money. Let's go, baby. I could have got 3 points from that. Maybe a new low even. But we're just scalping out here. Tanner, what crypto coin is this? Nice try. Nice try. I know what you're trying to do. I know what you're trying to do, Tanner. I'm not falling for that. Janie Saints asks, what's the difference between a limit order and a ordinary order? I would say ordinary order. There's no such thing as like an ordinary order, I guess. It's a lower high second entry short. Do I like this lower high second entry short off the 20 MA? Nope, I guess it scalps out anyways. was thinking about it. The signal bar is pretty good, and it's a lower high second entry short. Ooh. 1 second. This is 4 pushes up. 4 pushes up here. Do not copy my trades. Oh, darn. Outside bar reversal. The outside bar reversal. Don't like outside bar reversal. You just got stopped out if you took that short. Terrible signal bar, so I can't go short here. It's a lower high. 4 pushes up now. We still haven't filled this gap. Curious. I may take a trap trade here. It's hard. It's hard to say. I'm a little confused here. All right, it's pushing up higher. All right. Cancel. There's like market orders. There are limit orders, and there's stop orders. Let me try to explain. Market order will basically give you like the current best price. Like market order will just basically just give you whatever the next order is available for you. And so since the S&P 500 is still liquid, it probably won't be so far off from the price that's showing. There might be some slippage, but really it should be pretty close to the, unless it's like super high volatility, then it should be pretty close to the price that you see. Stop order basically triggers a market order once it passes a certain price. And so if you have a stop order, once it hits that price, it will just put in automatically a market order. It gives you the next available basically position. A stop limit order or a limit order will only fill you at the price that you asked for it, at the limit price. And so it will wait. So sometimes you don't get filled on limit orders. It will wait essentially until there is available position for that. Darn. No, I hate that. I wanted that lower high, second entry short. The timing is so hard. Darn. The timing was just super hard. But basically, yeah, the limit order will basically keep an order there until it actually gets filled at that exact spot. So that's why I do stop limit orders, because I don't like the slippage that you can get. You can get like 3-4 tick slippage, even like 2-point slippage I've seen before, which is really crazy. Okay, gap is filled on the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart, there was a gap here in the regular trading hours, and it finally filled. Another thing is there's a trap that failed and it's reversing, so I don't know. That doesn't look too good. That doesn't look too hot for the 5-minute chart, to be honest. We have a trap trade to the short side here, but new lows already created. Trading range, maybe back to the top of the trading range. Could be possible here. It's a higher low second entry long. It's another second entry short. Do I like it? Not really. A, B, C, because there's two competing things. I mean, we're in downtrend, but also starting to convert to a trading range, and if this triggers, it could trap up back to the top of this trading range easily. I'll take the outside bar reversal here, coming back to the top of the trading range. Do not copy my trades. EMA starting to curl downwards. Terrible signal bar. Oh, maybe spoke too soon. Signal bar is a little bit large, but in this trade, we can come back to the top of the trading range. I may keep the risk here because the risk I'm taking is quite large here. So I kind of like want a one-to-one at least. So the risk here is like 4 points. So I kind of need to have a little more. Ooh, hits the one-to-one perfectly. Darn. I might skunk it. Hit the one-to-one perfectly here. Skunked it. Hit the one-to-one perfectly. Darn. All good, pandas. I could have held it to the top of the trading range. Darn, darn, darn. All good. I took the risk off a little too early. I thought it was going to reverse. I was scared it was going to reverse. But could have came out to the top of the trading range. That's worth the risk reward. You know, you can basically come at the top of the trading range and be greater than a one-to-one. Darn. Skunked that. Skunked it. I just saw that it hit the one-to-one perfectly. I thought I was going to reverse. Got a little scared. Spooked me. Penny Unicaire says first entry long, then second on green numbers. But why is it first entry? I count it as a second entry. I'm not sure what you're referring to here. Bar at 852. 858? 852? Or 952? I guess here. Pushing down here, maybe back to the bottom trading range. It's a little choppy. The trading range is it's not that large either. I have, so bar at 852, fail second trade short. Your 952. So you're saying my 952 says it's a second entry short. Your indicator says first entry long, the second on green numbers, but why is it first entry long here, then second? Why is it first entry? Not sure. I'm not sure what you're talking about. It looks right to me. Are you talking about this one here? Yes, that bar says 1. I count second entry. This 1 doesn't mean it's a first entry. This 1 means that it's a first pullback. The dark red number means a second entry. The color is what tells you if it's a second entry or not. The number tells you how many pullbacks there are. Rashid asks, is there a way to change the color on the TOS indicator? Yep, you have to. Unfortunately, I'm not, giving any programming consulting advice, but you can look it up. It's pretty simple, I think. I think you can figure it out pretty easily. But yeah, if you look at how to change the colors, because the thing about the TOS script is that it's purely open source, so you can just do what you will with it. Do I want to go short here, pandas? I don't know. I don't think so. It's just a little too choppy. Fortunate. That's unfortunate. Skunked me out. Woo! Big push down. What happened? Oh, 10 o'clock. 10 o'clock. Oh, 10 o'clock. I almost forgot. 10 o'clock. Pandas, 10 o'clock. Wow. Okay, wow. 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 Wow, 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 wow. It didn't like it. It didn't like it. I don't think it liked it. Wow. Whoa. I forgot. 10 o'clock. Pandas, 10 o'clock news. Why didn't anyone tell me? If you went long here, that would give you crazy slippage. I'm pretty sure that slippage would have been insane. I mean, I'm looking for a second entry short, aren't I? Simple. Plain and simple. Second entry short. Even far away from a 20 MA, I need a decent signal bar. I don't want it to be too large. If it's too large, then I would have to take a retracement. Oh, darn. Darn, I can't take that trade. This signal bar was terrible. I just could not take it. But scalps out, regardless. Lower high second entry short. Oof. The risk is just so large. The risk is so large. I hate the risk. I hate how large the risk is. Ah, darn. 2, 3, 4. 4-point risk. Do not copy my trades. Do not copy my trades. Oh man, it went right through it. Darn. Darn, darn, darn. Might have taken that trap a little too far from 20 May. I could skunked it. Could have skunked it. Maybe should have skunked it. I'm holding it. I'm looking for follow through on this big move down. And if I get hit, I get hit. Moving on. It's huge risk. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5-point risk. Ah! Darn, it's gonna get me. I already have the feeling it's gonna get me. I already got the feeling it's gonna get me. Pandas! It was too far away from 20 May. That was a dumb trade right at the support here. Dumb trade. Maybe two-legged pullback at the 20 MA here. Terrible signal bar currently. Terrible signal bar. Oh, maybe too far from 20 MA. Okay. Glad I didn't get in that trade. Glad I didn't get in that trade. Maybe get back to the 20 MA at least. Yeah, let's wait for that. Big reversal. I thought we were going to have follow through. I thought we were going to have huge follow through after this huge bar. Surprise bar. No follow through whatsoever. Just incredible. Reversal. Double bottom reversal. Got me. It got me. It got me big. That risk was quite large, actually. Yeah, the risk was large. It's the appropriate risk, but it was too large. This bar here is actually bigger than you think. It's bigger than you think. Coming back to the previous day's close. Huge move down, but no follow through whatsoever. Amazing. I was looking for follow through here. Darn, darn, darn. It got me. Are we just in an uptrend now, though, pandas? Or are we going downtrend on the L4 setup? Are we still looking for follow through is a question. No, I'm not looking for a short. I'm not sure what I'm looking for here, pandas. I mean, I can't go. It's above the 20 MA here. I can't go short here. I don't know if I want to go long. It's the second entry long here at this point. A, B, C. Maybe second entry long. Darn, this is tough. Second entry long, but looks ugly. Far away from 20 MA. Does push up strong. Might come back to the previous day's close. Darn it. What a move. I mean, what a surprise move. No follow through. I really thought we were gonna follow through here. That was worth it. And it got hit, so it is what it is though, pandas. Come back to the previous day's close. Here we are again. Give me that trap. Give me that trap reversal. I want a trap reversal there. Darn, didn't get it. Balancing out the previous day's high. Or sorry, close. I wanted a trap reversal here, but it didn't give me the fail second. Oh, it might give it to me here. Fail second entry long. Perhaps. Signal bar is large. Pretty large signal bar. Let's try to take a reversal here. I don't know if I want to scalp out or get a little bit more. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy money. I was thinking about getting a little bit more than that, but just trying to recover here. We may get that continuation now. Like, if we break this low, basically, then we probably get continuation. I may have an order here. I may have an order here beneath here, this low. Because if we do get below this low, then we have follow through on the huge bear bar, right? If you look at the 10,000 tick chart, huge bear bar. We want follow through on that. Four pushes down. Getting choppy, you can see that we're creating a small trading range here. Big push up. Big push up. I don't want to be missing something here. I gotta pay attention. Currently creating an inside bar on the 5-minute chart. Inside bar means breakout mode. Second entry, short possible setup here. It looks weird. It looks weird. It honestly looks a little weird right now. But I'll take the weird. Darn, again. I can't get into these trades. Oof. Stop me out. I thought we're gonna trigger the low on the it's gonna get me now. Try one more attempt down here. I need the actual trap to trigger. This game really choppy. I think I'm gonna sit on my pause here. I feel my premise is still good going down. One more attempt to go down here. Inside bar potentially. Signal bar is not the best. It does push down though. It's a little too choppy for me. It's a little too scary. Sitting on my pause. Let this ride out. That gets me again. But this is like 2-point risk, right? 1, 2, 2.5 point risk. Darn. Missed it by... Man, why did it do it? Why did it do it here, not here? Darn. It got me. Created this inside bar. It got a little too choppy. I think I basically tried trading this chop, what I saw here already, and I got punished for that. I may put a order down here, but everything's been kind of reversing pretty quickly, and it looks very choppy now. I'm thinking about putting order beneath here, but I'm not sure. I would prefer a setup to take that trade, but darn. Darn. There it is. Broke beneath it. Just follow through now on the big bear bar on the 10K chart. Big bear bar, 10K chart, just follow through. And now it's just melting down. That's a trade I wanted. This is the move I wanted. I wanted to capture it here, but a little too early, I guess, and it ends up getting me. Darn. I was thinking about doing it again, but this bar was so ugly. What can you do? What can you do? Am I looking for a second entry short here? Good question. I don't know. I might look for a trap trade alongside, especially if it moves this strongly upwards. Sorry, Pandas. Yep. You know, like, I'm okay taking, it might seem like I'm kind of going crazy, but the truth is that there's just a lot of setups right now. The market is moving. And so it's just typically not this many setups. So I wanted to take that setup. I wanted to take these setups, and yeah, so unfortunately it didn't work out. It's all good. And it's really annoying because the moment like actually happens, like, it just reverses immediately, and it's just sad. We do have a second entry short here, Pandas. This is for you guys. Not a second short. We may have a second entry short here. Perhaps a second entry short A, B, C. It might just be a first entry and break the previous pivot low. Could definitely be possible. All right, would you take the second entry short here? It's far away from 20 May, Pandas. Very far away from 20 May. Do not copy my trades in this trade. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy, easy money. Still down. But we're getting some bamboo back here. I know that was risky, so do not copy my trades, but I think the momentum here makes that worth it. The risk not too large. If anything, I could like even get more points than 2 right now because the bars are so large right now. Second entry short, another one, but this one maybe not as enticing. Second entry short, possibly here. Another one. A, B, C, but coming after an H4 setup. Second entry short, risk is not too large. Barely enough room to the bottom of this trading range. Let's be good chartist here. Okay. Coming off key area, also the 20 EMA. Decent signal bar. It's a huge risk though. 1, 2, 3, 4 point risk. Yeah, I can't take that. The risk is too large here. Actually triggers a trap. I'll take the lower high. I'll take the lower high. Potential outside bar reversal, lower high setup. In this trade. Signal bar here. Everything's reversing immediately. It's really annoying. At the moment it goes down, just like reverse is so strong. This reverse is so strong. I hate it. It stops me out. Super annoying. I think I might like sit on my pause because the market right now is really annoying to me. Like every time I get like even a lower high setup, it just immediately reverses and then like stops me by 1 tick and it kind of goes the direction I thought it was gonna go. I almost want to reload my historical here. This is really annoying. Really frustrating. Really frustrating trading here. Reloading my historical. I do not like this price action. I think something's either I'm missing things by 1 tick or something's going on. I don't like it. It's like we're in a downtrend. I'm taking a lower high second entry short. It's a good setup, and it just starts to go straight into chop. Very frustrating. Like I don't even think the setups I'm taking are bad setups. Right, coming off the key area, coming off the 20 EMA. I think the setups I'm taking with a good signal bar. Right, I don't think the setups I'm taking are bad. So this is why it's extra frustrating. Now it's going pure chop. I mean, the chart is accurate. It's unfortunate though. Lower high. Lower high setup, first entry. I mean, what am I supposed to do with this? Really frustrating. Stops me up by 1 tick and then goes its way. Really frustrating here. Big push up.
10,000 tick trap.
Just big bull bar, big bear bar. It's just really hard to trade this, in my opinion. Very hard to trade this. I don't know. This is getting way too choppy now. Frustrating price action.
10,000 tick trap.
Potential second entry short here. I wanted that trade. Darn. I wanted to set up. Darn. 10,000 tick chart was a trap. So, unfortunately, it didn't trigger anything on the 2,000 tick, so I couldn't get in entry, but it was a trap on the 10,000 tick, and that's what pushed that blue down. No entries for us, all first entries here. Super strong move down. I'm like always in short, almost just want to sell everything here. Frustrating. That setup actually not bad, but doesn't work. Too choppy, I guess. Could be a break of trend to new low now. Possibly. Hard to say. Eager to go short. I just need a setup. I'll take another trap trade here. Super small risk. In this trade, do not copy my trades. Alright, scalp out. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy, easy money. Slowly gain that bamboo back. Looking for anything, everything short. Super frustrating because even though this was a decent short setup, still stops you out by one tick. Amazing, by one tick. So annoying. Actually, is it by 2 ticks? No, it's 1 tick. Darn. I basically have like short lenses on the entire time, and darn, look at this, the daily chart. Super strong move up. Looks like a reversal candle, but touches the 20 EMA and it reverses back down. Whew. The market is a wild place to be. It's not for the faint of heart. That's for sure. Second entry short. Looking for something like that. Possible second entry short here, pandas. No joy on the setup so far. Need a second entry short. Need that second pullback. All right, second pullback, second entry short here. Did I copy my trades? Looking for anything and everything short right now until it stops working. Did not copy my trades. Second entry short. Everything just keeps reversing on the second entry short. Super frustrating. It's not the best setup, but it's just continuing this downtrend. I'm just trying to take everything second entry short, especially on how strong the downtrend is. It looks like it's going to get me again. Very frustrating day. Very frustrating day if this gets me. You're just thinking everything, you want to do everything short here because you're in a downtrend. And it's kind of like those days where it's like, you know, like yesterday, if I just like, wow, that slippage is huge. That slippage was like, I had my stop here. The slippage was more than 1 point. That's crazy slippage. That's insane slippage right there. It finally goes the way you want it to go. Really frustrating day. Pandas, this is really frustrating. Like, that slippage, I had it here. It's about a 2 point slippage. Almost 2 point slippage. Absolutely insane. Really frustrating. So it's just like, you recognize it's like one of those days that, you know, even though you got the premise right, you know it's just going short. It's just like every short you take seems to fail, and finally when that fails, it goes the way you want it to after it fails once. I could be, maybe I'm being a little too eager. I should have waited to break a trend to new high for that one. Possibly. That could have been it. I just wanted every second extra short, to be honest. Here, maybe as well, break a trend, attempt a new high, double top. Here, break a trend. Unfortunate. Lower high setup. Like, I do want to take second entry shorts off the 20 MA on a downtrend, and I feel confident doing that, but really frustrating on days like this where you are doing that and it stops you out by like one tick, stops you out with one move, it gives you a 2 point slippage. Super strong move up here. Right? This is not this is a surprise bar above all the other bars. We may have continuation, but we need follow through. Big move up. Very big move up. Very strong move up. No longer looking for shorts. It's incredible. Incredible move up here. The daily chart. This is how it looks like right now. Absolutely incredible. Second entry short forming on the 10,000 tick chart. A, B, C. I don't know. I mean, looking for a new high, right? Some sort. First entry. If you guys see a second entry long here, what would you do? So you gotta basically anticipate these trades before they happen. A, B, C. The reason why you gotta anticipate the trades because you gotta figure out if you're gonna take this the long, the second entry, or the trap, or skip. If you get a second push down, I'll put a pull up for you guys. Wow. Would you take this long trade? Second entry long? Huge, it's a pretty large signal bar coming off the 20 MA. The signal bar is not good either, but the 20 MA is rising. Looking for that new high. Finally got that new high. It's a terrible signal bar. Like really bad signal bar. Lots of risk right there. 1, 1, 2. Can you tell how big these bars are with this? Guess the high and the low. It's tracked. 8. 5 points. New high created here. That looks like an uptrend almost. Super strong bull bars with follow through. Darn. See, this is like, you know, this is when you start to think things are a little sketchy because you think the downtrend is so strong. And then it starts to trap you out a little bit. And you're like, what's going on? And then it finally reverses. So it's just really frustrating. We do have a break of trend to new low. That could have been what prompted this reversal. I don't know. Trap trade to the long side. Not interested. It's just confusing for me right now. Second entry long here. Interesting. I think I'll probably take the trap trade if it presents itself. What do you guys think? What would you guys do? It takes too long to put this pull up. I wish there was a way to like save pull templates. So that's the same pulls again and again. Second entry long forming here. Would you take the trap trade or would you take the second entry long here? It's a question. It's a small signal bar. It could be a break of trend new high, or this could be the first break of trend. We still haven't triggered the second entry long, so you can't do a trap yet. Just waiting for my second entry long. I'm going to take a trap trade here. We might not get it though. Market has been quite annoying today. Like honestly, I probably would just stop trading today just because the market is proving to be very annoying. Especially with all those little, you know, stops. Market double bottom. Could be a good second entry long here. I don't know. Sticking to my trade that I originally thought was going to happen. It's a large risk now. It's unfortunate. I might not take the full risk if this does trigger. I may not take the full risk. Because it's quite a large risk. Did not copy my trades. Taking a trap trade here for break a trend to new high. EMA starting to curl up a little bit here. It looks kind of bullish now at this point. Almost looks bullish. 20 EMA is curling up. I cannot take that short. It's curling up a little bit too much for me, for my liking to take a short here. Almost want to go long if it breaks this high. Setting my pause. I'll let this ride out. Very annoying. I just don't like how big the risk is on these bars right now. Almost need to switch my style here. Did not copy my trades. Alright, EMA starting to flatten out. Very hard to take a trade in this area. EMA starting to flatten out. We're going in and out of 20 EMA. May sit on my pause for this. Unfortunate. I do want to get into more trades, but I don't know if we're gonna. I don't know the setups right now. Big push down. Incredible. Wow. Wow. Almost want to just buy long here. Almost just want to buy long here. I need some follow through though. Strong bull bar, any on its high. I need some follow through. Terrible follow through. Strong bull bar. I thought there'd be some follow through, but you have to wait for it. Didn't get it, so now we're back in the trading range. No longer interested. Whew. This might be a strong move down right here. Wowzers. Darn. It's just first entries, or second entry here, but first entry, and I just can't get into any of these trades. Trading range is too strong. I was gonna try and get a follow through here, but sitting on my pause. Thinking there'd be follow through here, strong follow through. I gotta wait for a setup. I'm gonna go short though. Looking for a short trade. Be a first entry, do not copy my trades. Oh man. I was not expecting that move. Let's go, baby. Easy peasy, easy money. I wanted to get in here, but it went down so fast, like I couldn't move my order. 5-point swing here. The main reason why is because 10,000 tick chart, second entry, lower high, second entry short, triggering here. I wanted to take it right there, but it went down too fast on me. Looking for a new low. Always in short right now. Absolutely incredible move. I mean, from yesterday, boy oh boy, I mean, like, incredible. Super frustrating though, because, you know, how many times I want to go short here, and it ultimately does end up going short. It's just these pullbacks are huge. This was a huge pullback. Gets choppy, pushes down. It's really frustrating. Almost want to take this trap, but it's a little too far away from 20 MA for me. Could be some sort of double bottom here. Right, you want at least a two-legged pullback back to the 20 MA here. A, B, C, something like this. Continue down. That's what you typically want. Almost want to follow through. Almost want to just take this short here. Just follow through. Main reason being strong bear bar on the 5-minute chart. Looking for follow through on the strong bear bar on the 5-minute. Super strong bear bar. You're thinking always in short. So traders are just selling here. So if there's follow through, I'm thinking. Taking 2 points here. If there's any follow through on this bar, you're thinking there's gonna be, you know, you can make enough for 2 points. Do not copy my trades. Four hits all in the exact same spot. Do not copy my trades. It's absolutely incredible. These traps failing. It's reversing. Second entry short. A, B, C. Risk again is large. Signal bar is terrible to go short here. That's a hard setup to take with such a bad signal bar. I mean, you gotta have some dignity, right? You can't just take that with that kind of signal bar. But traders do it. They don't care. They don't need any dignity. What's dignity? Almost want to keep the same trade still if there's follow through on that 5 minute. Almost want to look for a lower high second entry short here as well, if possible. No setups for me. Other than this 5 minute continuation of the strong bear bar ending on its low. What I mean by that is look at this bear bar ending on its low. You're thinking there's going to be follow through. Be nice if I can get second entry short. I'd love that, but I don't think we're gonna get it. Yep, just broke it. Do not copy my trades. It just keeps bouncing off this area, exact same area. Good double up here. Amazing. This is a ledge here for sure. Huh. Very interesting. Very interesting. Well, my order never set off, so that's why you gotta wait for your order. Very interesting here. Okay. Well, looks like it's going long. All right. There's the ledge. Now we have a ledge that we know about. If you guys know anything about ledges, we typically... Well, I have another area here. Oh, it's just low. I don't know. Pandas, what should we do here? What should we do here? There's a lot of outside bar reversals, really annoying today. It's really annoying, there's a lot of outside bar reversals because we have a clear downtrend, but there's like on the setups, it continues to stop you out. It's really frustrating day today. Okay. Reversal. Fails like entry short here. Not necessarily one I'm interested in, but it does trigger an outside bar reversal. Second attempt, maybe a little more interested. Don't know if I like this long. Fortunately, I'm gonna skip it. If it does go up without me, then it is what it is, but I can't take this long trade. With a ledge, knowing this ledge is here, the top of a trading range, it doesn't feel right. Strong bull bar, any on its high. Coming off the 20 EMA. It's just a big risk here. Like all these bars, even though it's like strong bull bars, it just means big risk to me. Maybe higher probability, but today, not really. Today is just a tricky day, in my opinion. Very tricky. Darn. I'm such a sucker right now to go long here, but high or low, second entry long. Good signal bar as well. Top of a trading range. Scalps out. Really frustrating. Oy. It's hard for me to read. It's just hard for me to read. I felt like I was getting choppy here. I just didn't. I mean, it does scalp you out, but I don't know how much further it's going to go. Hard. That's hard for me. I don't know, pandas. What do you think? I mean, did you take this long? If you took this long, give me a 1 in the chat. If you skipped it, give me a 2. Who took this long here? Continue to go upwards. Trap trade, still within our channel. It's risky trade. It's not coming off any support really other than this trend line. Far away from 20 MA. Tricky. Starting to grind up. Failed trap here, potentially. Huh. Weird. Very choppy. Sitting on my pause. Obviously, it's in a limit order market right now, and I do not want to touch it. I'm down 325, and obviously I have incentive to keep, trying to get back green. But honestly, like, you need to have some dignity for yourself. You got to take the trades that you like still. You can't just take willy-nilly any trade. Where's it? Where's your self-dignity, man? Limit order market. Hard to limit order market. Limit order market. What does that remind you of? Automatically something went off my head when I said that. Limit order market. Yes. Hugh, you and I, we are vibing. We are surely vibing. Big push up here. Yeah, it's just confusing. I mean, limit order market, and I just don't know what was gonna happen there. So just let it go. I'm skipping these setups. I don't like any of them. They don't look good at all. starting to look something more like this now, actually. Nice small spiking channel here. Big push up. It's absolutely incredible on the 5-minute chart. This huge bear bar, no follow through, just reverses. Crazy. You know, one thing today though I do like is that we're getting a lot of volume here. We're getting a lot of candles. At least we're getting movement. Even though I hate the movement, we're getting movement. This line is this pivot low here that we broke through, or retesting it. Seems like we're breaking through it with style, with the overshoot of a channel breaking through it. Absolutely incredible. 5-minute chart at the 20 EMA. You're really frustrating. You know, what can I say? That the trades that I took to go short, like I like the setups actually. The setups were decent. So like the moment right when it went in, it like reverses, stops you out, and then goes. It's incredible. All right, setting my pause. See what happens here. There's a large range on the 10,000 tick chart, as you can see. And we currently triggered a second entry short off the top of this the range here. It looks like it's gonna trap out though. If this traps, this could be a strong bull move right back up to the top. I mean, that's really volatile. These are really volatile days if that does happen. But wow, if it does, absolutely incredible. I'm gonna let it play out though. Strong bull bar ending on its high. I'm not gonna go long on that though. It does push up higher. Just watching here. Darn, I hate this setup, but I'm gonna take it. If this triggers, I gotta take it. Unfortunately, I do. It's unfortunate, but I gotta take it. I gotta try. Forget it. I'm not doing it. I'm just gonna sit here confused. 20 EMA, we're right on it on the 5-minute chart. 10,000 tick chart, trap outside bar reversal. So technically did trigger, I guess. Don't know. I'm not sure what's gonna happen here. Trap trade to the long side. Hmm. Just don't like the risk, how big these risks are right now. I don't know what to do here, Pandas. I mean, we're still in this channel. Maybe something like this. Second entry long. I don't know. This doesn't look convincing like it really wants to go that much higher here. I could be wrong. I could be really wrong. I mean, we have gaps here. So maybe it's just a lot stronger than I think. Gap here. You know, gaps here. Basically perfect hit. Perfect hit here. I'm gonna put an order right here if it does trigger. Almost feel like, no, only if it comes up here. I gotta take it.
10,000 tick trap.
Trap on 10,000 tick chart is why I'm curious. Why I'm attempting this long here. Never mind. I don't know. I'm not sure what's going on here. Very interesting. Still don't know what's happening, Pandas. Do you guys know what's happening? If you guys know what's happening, can you guys start your own channel and start talking about this price action? I don't know if we're at a resistance area, so I should look for a reversal, or should I continue this uptrend? I'm kind of confused. Seems a little obvious now. It is a resistance, so maybe I'm looking for a fail second entry long in this area, perhaps. If we can even get the setup. I don't like how big these bars are. I guess I'll take a fail second entry long in this area. Risk is so large here. Let's see. Didn't copy my trades. It's a trap trade to the short side. I'm gonna try to get a runner here if possible. One-to-one risk reward on the main portion, or a one scalp, and then a runner down to the bottom back to this ledge that we saw way back here. Or nothing might happen at all, and I might just be down another 400. That's all good. I think it's worth it. Should I come out? Hit the one-to-one again. Should I hold my swing? Yeah, I don't like the look of that. There we go. Let's go, baby. Take the risk off here. Run her down to the bottom of the back to the ledge here. Let's see if we can get it before it pulls back. It might pull back. I don't know. But I have a runner here. For me, you're paying, for less probability. You're paying for it because you have, you're shorting you basically have zero risk now. So you're basically paying that with less probability of hitting your runner or whatever target you have, because obviously, yeah. Let's go, baby. I could end this and just be green today, but that's not the point of this trade. The point of this trade is to get to this key area that I think we're going to try to get to. Super Saiyan Panda. I feel the power. I usually do it if there's a second leg down, but hey, it's been a while. Let's go. Let's go, baby. No! Do not. It looks like it's trying to stop me out. Don't do it. Don't even think about it. Don't do it. Keep going down. Don't go up. Don't stop me out. Do not stop me out. Whew. Let's go, baby. Come on, give me that push. Push. Yo, pandas, give me P's in the chat for push. Give me P's in the chat for push. Every P will push the market down. Push! 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 Come on, push! Don't even think about it. Peace! With all your P's combined. Push! What I could do is protect some profits by moving this down here to each pivot high. Push! So I'm protecting at least $100 here. Again, you're reducing your probability of getting this large swing, but you're also protecting now profits. Let's go, baby. Push! Push! Don't even think about it. Push! 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 No. I don't see any green. I don't want to see any. Why? Who said you could turn green? Who said you can turn green? Who said you can turn green? I didn't say you could turn green. That's right. Turn back red. Push! Push! Let's go, baby! I could already make 2 times risk reward here. I just don't want to push back up to this pivot, which would be annoying. But it could happen. It's technically an H4 setup right now. But we'll just keep it here, see how much we can get. Every pivot, I'm going to push it down again. So if this makes a new pivot, I'll move my stop loss down here. Push! Push! I'm trying to protect as much profits as possible on this way down. Push! No. Push down, not up. Down. That's right. Don't even think about it. Pandas, I need more P's. Pandas. I need more P's. When you guys stopped, it started going back up. I need more P's. Let's go, baby. We got a new pivot low to use. We're already protecting about $200 here. Let's go, baby. Push! Get to my target. Push! Push! Oh, let's go, baby. I almost want to just take my profits right there on this exhaustive move down. But we'll stick to the plan. We'll just keep moving down each pivot low. Push. Keep pushing. Keep pushing. Get back to the ledge here. Push. Pandas, I will either get stopped out on the previous pivot or I will hit my target. There's only two options here, pandas. There's only two options. Those are the only two options today. Either hits the previous pivot or hits my target. Let's go, baby. Push. I'm like, I could be potentially losing like 10 points here. It's actually really nice. Like, I could just take my profit here and be very happy. But pandas, I'm gonna be a good panda today. I'm gonna stick to the plan. And when you stick to the plan, good things happen, right? Push. Push. I'm glad I made this this ledge. I think we can get down to it, pandas. Let's go, baby. No. No, I don't want to see this. This looks like it wants a reverse. That looks like a reversal candle. Turn back red, let's go. Nope. I'm not trailing it. I'm not trailing it tighter. I will put it on the previous pivot highs. Every time a new pivot high is made, I'm going to put the next pivot high. That's it. That's the plan. That's the plan, pandas. Planda. Okay, got a new pivot high. I hope this doesn't reverse all the way and stop me out. I really hope it doesn't. I'd be really sad if it does. That's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's 10 points. That could have protected. Getting a new pivot high here. I can only count it as a pivot if we break the low of any candle. I need to break a low of any candle, so that's what I'm waiting for to move my stop order to this pivot. Only if it breaks this low, I can move my pivot. It's only one or two things happening. Either it's going to hit the pivot, or it's going to get my... Let's go, baby. Protecting more profits here. Let's go, baby. Push! 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 Oh! It almost stopped me out. It almost stopped me out, Pan. Did you see that? It like spiked up. It almost stopped me out. But Pandas, like I said, there's only one or two options. Either it hits my target or hits the previous pivot high. Only two options today. Oh my! It's like teleporting. The market's like teleporting. I can't even keep up. Super Saiyan. Okay, stops me out. It's all good, Pandas. Pandas stuck to the plan. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Hey, Pandas. I was down 300 something. Up 380. Let's go, baby. GG's. Alright, Pandas. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Or sorry, not tomorrow. I'll see you guys on Monday, bright and early. 9 o'clock for the pre-market show. 9:15 for the mainstream. And I'll see you guys all then. And yeah, as always, happy trading. God bless. Have an amazing weekend, everybody. Bye.